In today's interconnected world, where our lives are intricately woven into the digital fabric, there's a growing need for a shield that safeguards our most valuable assets, our information. Our digital landscape is vast and dynamic, offering unprecedented opportunities for connectivity, innovation, and progress. But with these opportunities come threats that can compromise our privacy, disrupt our lives, and impact our businesses. This is where cybersecurity steps in, a digital guardian that protects us from the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. It's not just about securing systems, it's about safeguarding our trust, our data, and our way of life. Think about the personal information we share online, banking details, medical records, and more. Cybersecurity ensures that this sensitive data remains confidential, shielded from prying eyes and potential misuse. For businesses, cybersecurity is not just a choice, it's a necessity. It shields companies from financial losses, reputational damage, and operational disruptions caused by cyberattacks. But remember, cybersecurity isn't just about technology. It's about people, empowering individuals with the knowledge and awareness to navigate the digital world safely. In a world where our digital presence is as significant as our physical one, the need for cybersecurity is not just a choice, it's our collective responsibility. Together, let's build a secure and resilient digital future.